Light in the valley, quiet and low, till one voice rose and let the heavens know. No crown on my head, no army behind, just a scroll in my hand and a burden in mind. I saw the chains on my father's hands, and I knew it was time for a song to stand. I was no soldier, no prophet's flame, but truth was fire and it called my name. The wind stood still, the sky leaned low, when I sang what God wrote long ago. The song that broke the silence burned like dawn, and stars in heaven marched along, not by sword, not by throne, but by the voice that stood alone. The song that broke the silence shook the ground, and every chain came falling down. When I sang, the Lord drew near, and the land knew rest from fear. They mocked my voice, they called me weak, but even dust can start a peak. They took my brother, struck my kin, but the song kept rising from within. Jill had her hammer, I had the word. The stars obeyed what they once heard. I sang through tears, through prison walls, and heaven thundered through my call. The song that broke the silence burned like dawn, and stars in heaven marched along, not by sword, not by throne, but by the voice that stood alone. The song that broke the silence shook the ground, and every chain came falling down. When I sang, the Lord drew near, and the land knew rest from fear. Still I sing for the ones unseen, the daughters dreaming in the in-between. The song